Hey guys, welcome back to Shib. Cryptocurrencies took a beating this week despite a flawless upgrade to the blockchain. Accordingly, market participants are looking for clues about the pace of rate hikes that could reflect a corresponding decline in the value of cryptocurrencies. In this video, we will talk about this date. We'll be starting the upcoming Shiba Inu bull run Shiba Inu news today. Don't forget to smash your thumbs, share and subscribe to our channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price prediction and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's start the video. In the latest 24-hour trading session, the Shib fell to 1,174 cents, 10.52% from the previous week and 21.51% from the previous month. Moreover, other metrics were also responsible for the recent price drop. For example, the ratio of realized value to market capitalization has nested along with daily active addresses. These bearish signs imply more bearishness in the coming days. In line with this, analysts expect the Shiba Inu to collapse by 25% this month, extending from 83 cents to 93 cents. Gray moving the average convergence divergence also painted a similar picture as it showed a negative edge in the market in line with this pessimistic sentiment. No wonder investors are left searching the market for any signs of optimism. Our preferred investment in 2022 delivered exactly that to its early backers. A big reason to be optimistic about 2022 and 2023 is to expect 100% gains and expect more. Shiba Inu price was briefly courting the potential start of a bull run, but the bulls who dropped the ball on dollar strength in September have instead struggled with a back-to-school run from the start of the month. Key levels have been abandoned with the largest at 0.1 at 9 cents. It looks like another lower leg will be given as Sweden's Riksbank sets the tone for the market with a super volume rally of 100 BP, which is what the Fed should do on Wednesday, triggering a broad sell-off in cryptocurrencies on the back of a stronger dollar. Shiba Inu prices at the mercy of central banks after markets were rocked today by a sudden 100 BP surge from Sweden's Riksbank. Although Sweden and the Czech Republic have nothing to do with cryptocurrency, the move has put markets on edge ahead of the Fed's policy meeting on Wednesday, and a sudden 100 BPD increase from the Fed would be a huge game changer for the markets. The massive strength of the dollar will unleash and lead to an ice sell-off in stocks. So the cryptocurrency share price is at risk of dropping 10% in the run-up to the Fed meeting. As the markets get more nervous, there could be 100 beeps on the cards depending on how Powell delivers that message. We expect to see more dollar strength to come, pushing the euro below parity and triggering another sell-off in stocks and cryptocurrencies, which would be enough to pressure a break below 965 cents. From there, it opens up another area that could see a decline and decline towards 655 cents, adding another 40% loss to the records for 2022. An alternative scenario could be a turnaround if the Fed delivers a lower than expected rate hike with a dovish message. This means a slight uptick towards 0.1 to $9 and a positive return of 11%. That would be as far as the rally could go in the short term, being the red descending trend line, the historical pivot level at 1 cent to 9 cents, and the 55-day simple moving average all reside around this level as Developer Cap Symposium Unification revealed some important updates on the upcoming Shiba Inu Layer 2 protocol, including details on the X Fund and the shibaswap bonus. According to an official announcement from the Consolidation Foundation, plans are still afoot for alpha and public 4 test suites for the upcoming protocol. The announcement also doubles as plans for these testnets scheduled for the end of September or sometime shortly thereafter. Consolidation reminds the community that the final X Fund's claims deadline is near. On August 22, the Unification Foundation successfully minted another X Fund and set a 1-month maximum, expiring on September 22, 2022. After this deadline, the smart contract will burn any unclaimed Fund X tokens. The standardization also states that the final bid can be less than 10,000 initial sketches. The current bid was 9,888. For the shibaswap reward, some X money will be claimed until next year. The announcement states that while the remaining X funds will be burned by the smart contract, unclaimed tokens from the shibaswap and X-Fund revenue portals will be available for withdrawals until early 2023. Depending on the outcome of the planned governance proposal, the X funds will be transferred to the Consolidation Community Fund. Tokens will be used to reward participants and community members who contribute to innovation and other efforts to develop the network. The first public beta testnet will focus primarily on developers and delegates, so the network is ready for all participants when it officially launches. The announcement also specifies that the next public beta will ensure a secure mainnet launch by fine-tuning the process of bug fixing and open testing. Also, all interested validators will be allowed to join the beta in preparation for the mainnet launch. Furthermore, the announcement promises to support Ethereum March consolidation plans to support ETH2 and the old fork, as it believes this is the best course of action for the entire sector. We will endeavor to continue supporting the original fork and the new ETH2 network. Given that consolidation looks forward to supporting all expansions of a decentralized nation, we believe that providing the best tools for all channels serves the larger blockchain world. The network has officially discontinued Scorebone in compliance with the previously concluded community decision. Bowen, this weed protocol's official gas has now reached 230 million, which is the scheduled upper limit for Bowen's cultivation. In June, the community decided to stop minting Bowen at 230 million to allow Barbarian checkers access to the remaining 20 million of the total maximum supply of Bowen. A minimum of 20 million BWIN is necessary for normal protocol operations. The Shiba Inu also hinted at the release of several tokens, including her Cure. While it will be the official ecosystem, the official stablecoin transaction will act exclusively as a reward token. Toshi Kusama states that Australia will likely be the last CCG test site for the Shib. Shiba Eternity Kusama made the announcement in response to a question posed by a member of the popular Shib community. Alexander, the Shiba Eternity is live on the Apple App Store after its launch in Australia on September 17, 2022. Australian users have joined the Vietnamese in getting the chance to be among the first testers and bug reporters for Shiba Eternity. Test reports of the Shib CCG game in Vietnam show that it has been a great success. According to multiple reports, the demand was higher than expected and the Shiba team had to expand the game's server capacity 50-fold to meet the demand. When users first request a CCG Shib test in their country, Kusama replied that the next event would likely be download day. One of the applicants was a user from Turkey who commented that the Turkish community is waiting for the Shiba Immortality. When will the game be available for us to download from the App Store? Kusama soon responded. He then added that the game would be available for the entire world to download, not just for some specific countries. According to him, Team Shiba wants to show the Shadowcats that Shiba has a real power. He added that he wanted the game's download to crack the App Store on the day of the download. Shiba Inu's lead developer has also hinted that it might be possible to do ship burns across the game, but he'll provide more details on that in a separate update before you download. Kusama also said that Shiba's immortality is more than a game, and many discussions will happen before the day of the download. Team Shiba is trying to boost adoption of the game when it goes live. Last month, Shiba Eternity consultant William Volk featured the game at Shiba Eternity Game in the world's largest video game trading platform, Fair Gamescom crypto payment gateway platform. Now Payments has announced that companies can start accepting joystick payments from their customers. More importantly, they can always use the platform to swap their handlebars for FEI. Unleashes the second token in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. This is the wrap today. Don't forget to smash your thumbs, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.